Sometimes when you do a join, you get unmatched records. And if you get unmatched records, this would be the target attribute table, and this would be from the join table. In the table, you will get these null values. And these null values just mean there's no information coming from the table that you're joining to. Sometimes this can happen. For example, this might be something with recording information for all of the states plus Puerto Rico. And because Puerto Rico is not one of the 50 states, if you join this to a table that had all 50 of the states, there would be no values for Puerto Rico, and so you would get this null value in there. So it's okay if you do get some null values after you do a join. However, if you get all null values, it probably means that you haven't done a very good join, because there should be some tables that join. In other words, that would mean that none of your, in this case, none of your states matched this field here. None of these state abbreviations were there at all, which means probably a join should not have been done in the first place. And so if you're getting some errors like that, one thing to do is check the fields that you're joining to. So in this case here, a layer that's called 114th Congress is being joined to a table that's called 113th Congress. And in both cases here, they're looking at all the columns in the attribute table, and they're using this district ID in both cases to join to. But that might not be the right one to join to. So if you're not sure about that, look back in the attribute tables for both of these, see what you're trying to join to, see what it's called, and then select it from one of these two drop-down menus. Because you want that same, if it's a state abbreviation or whatever it is that's the basis, that's a key for that join, you want that to be the same in both this field and this field. Also, once you do the join, if you want to if you don't want to display records without a match, you can check off this keep all target features. And then only records that have a match, once this join has been made, will be displayed in the attribute table, and the other ones will not.